Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you that how you can crop the video in VN app. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to open the VN app. So I'm going to click on this. After clicking on this, as you can see, you will get the plus icon. So let's click on the plus icon, and after clicking on the plus icon, we have to click on the new project. So let's click on this, and after clicking on this, we have to choose the video, that which video you want to use. For example, I'm going to the video section, and now for example I'm going to use this one. So after choosing this, we have to click on the next. After clicking on next, as you can see, the video is here. Now simply what we need to do, we have to go to this option. As you can see, we have to scroll, and after this, as you can see, here's the option for the crop and rotate. If you want to rotate the video, you can also do that. I'm going to click on the crop, and after clicking on the crop, you have to choose the video that from where you want to crop. For example, I want to crop the video from here, and let's keep this part of the video, and simply I'm going to hit the right button. After clicking on the right, the video will be cropped like this. Now if you want to rotate, you have to click on the rotate, and the video will be rotated. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can crop the video and rotate the video in VN app. So see you guys in the next video.